Look at you.
Ano kinakain? Hindi mo ko lang ano, pampatulang. Ito ito, aapak doon sa kama na yan. Parang gumugulong-gulong na siguro, malinis kaya kung nilabas yun.
Right there. Toyong. Toyong. Oh. Ang tagal na.
Kaya hindi mo na mapapadala yan sa amin.
Ba, papadala ko ito may malikad. Super. Sama ng ano yung tatay. Kaya pinupuno ko lang eh.
Ano?
Pinupuno ko lang.
Papadala mo? Pwede naman i-copy Kabis. Diba?
Oo.
Tapos yung hindi sa padala ko.
Pwede.
Doodle doodle doo. Doodle doodle doo, doodle doo. Boodle boodle doo, boodle doo. Ba't kayo mga lalaki, maipilit ninyo, no? No?
Okay, pwede.
Maipilit. Si Kamani, maipilit niya. Hindi naman siya yung laging kasama nito. No? Ikaw, maipilit mo. Hindi naman ikaw ang nanay.
Correct ako.
Anong correct ikaw lagi?
May alam ako.
Correct ikaw lagi?
Mata mo, anong connection nun?
Correct ikaw lagi? Ano? Correct ikaw lagi? Ha?
May correction ako. Oh, sige, say hello sa kanila.
Hi. Hello.
Just watch him. I watch her. See the
Bebe!
development, the progress, the improvement of this,
Of this?
the improvement and the progress of her, This is my pants. That's tagpi.
Kikaboo.
Another butas.
Kikaboo.
Pero guess yan.
Peekaboo.
Bye-bye.
Naku, sinisinok. Napainom tubig.
Bye-bye. Right. Say hello to your uncle. Your uncles. Your auntie. And your Lola.
Peekaboo.
To see how you wear. And you wore the proper jersey of your Lakers, Kobe Bryant. There he goes. There he goes. There he goes again. Waiting for my land. And I can back you away. The same them as to say, yeah. There he goes. Baby borrow again. She just wants to swim. The little hiccup for my baby. And I just can't do that. Yeah. There he goes. Byron. There he goes again.